Kelly because it's this girl who gets sent away to military school, and it's so hard. I had to learn how to like twirl these fake rifles and stand up straight and salute. It's so hard.
You've never twirled a rifle before? What's wrong with you? There are lots of push-ups involved?
Yes, oh my gosh, I did something wrong and so they got mad at me and I had to get on the floor and do like 25 push-ups.
On your knuckles?
I was like,
can you show us?
No!
Who wants to say that? You kind of look like a drill sergeant. Yes, I am dressed like a drill sergeant. No results, Bobby, give me 29!
No! Okay, give us one.
I don't know what the vote is.
I can give you one.
One? Give me your one?
Not that one.
One?
But I have to do girl push-ups. You know, the fake ones
On your knees?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we'll let you get by with that.
Here we go.
That was great! Those were real! Woo! Hey, give it up! Those were real!
That's awesome.
That was a real... Those were good.
I noticed I only did 2 of them.
That was